So I wanted to show you how to look up information on your most likely eviction case in Franklin County Municipal Court, because all such information is online and it's easily accessible. So here, if you see, I've gone to the address fcmcclerk.com for Franklin County Municipal Court Clerk, but the web address is fcmcclerk.com. And right here, if I go to search records, I can easily perform a search either based upon the first and last name of the tenant, the first and last name of the landlord, or if the eviction was filed in the name of a company, I can type in the company name here. So let's just type in that company name, and I can see right away that this was a case for this particular landlord filed in 2021. The G means it's an eviction, and this is the case number. If I click view, I can find out more information on the case. And here we see the plaintiff and the defendant names. If there are more than one defendant and only one is listed, the clerk of courts usually only types in the first tenant's name initially. Later on, I think they may change that. So don't get worried if you only see one tenant's name. And I'm going to say that this was a clerical error by whoever typed in the information. That should be view, Alta View Court. Then we have the attorney's information. Status: the case is open as of January 28th, 2021. $123 in filing fees were paid from the attorney. And the only information we have so far at the docket stage is that the case for forcible entry and detainer or eviction has been filed. So that's what we can tell there. We can also tell a lot of information by what's not listed. For example, no hearing date has been set, or that would be listed here. The tenant has not been served by the court, hasn't been served the eviction papers as well as the summons by the court yet, because that is not listed here. If it were, then that would indicate that it's been done. So let's look up another case with more information. Just hit new search, and let me think here. What other case can we look up? How about actually, I want the other one. Where are you? So here we go. Landlord, tenant listed, attorney listed. This is opened as of January 6th, amount paid. So here we go. Now we have events because an event has been scheduled. Eviction hearing has been set for February 8th at 9 a.m. I don't know why they say it ends at 9:20, and it indicates where it's going to be at the Columbus Convention Center. And actually, they never start eviction court at 9 o'clock. As of recently, they're lucky to get started by 10 a.m. Okay, so when I say to be there at 9:45, don't send me an email saying, but it says 9 a.m. Okay, you'll just be waiting around for an hour or more. I know what I'm talking about. I've been doing this for the last, I don't know, 2 or 3 decades. So, and in this case, a motion for continuance has been filed. Bailiff service means that upon the tenant, they have posted the summons and complaint at the rental unit. And I think it's also been issued by ordinary mail on January 28th. So, has the tenant been notified? I don't know. Has the mail gotten there yet? Looks like the summons and complaint were also posted on February 1st. Has the tenant been notified? Probably, unless the wind blew the summons and complaint off the door or someone stole it or something like that. So I guess there's always the outside chance they didn't get it. But if it did blow off or if someone did steal it, doesn't matter. It was posted, and that's all that matters. So there you go, and we'll look at one more, try to find something that's, let's look at this 2019 one to see if we can get more information. If we go, this one was scheduled for 3 eviction hearings. Isn't that nice? And here we can see that, let's back up a little bit. So they resolved the eviction hearing through an agreed judgment entry, which apparently was not adhered to because the landlord filed for a red tag or writ of restitution and also a set out. And here we see that the landlord got a judgment entry for that restitution, writ of restitution. Probably they had to file something saying that the agreed entry was not adhered to. And they sent out the court order. I assume it's that judgment entry here. And indicates they sent it out again, and then they served the red tag, it looks like, on December 5th. And then, this is an odd one, the writ was returned, the tenant had left the keys. So I guess the tenant had moved out. So there you go. That's how you look up information on your case and interpret that information. I generally, when I am informed through the mail of the hearing date, I will let you know. If I happen to be looking up cases and I'm informed of the hearing date through the online docket, I will let you know. But now you have the ability to search for yourself and understand the online docket so that you know what is going on in your case.